Hi guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video we did how to draw the central view of the nose, but today I want to show you how to draw the lateral view, that is the side view of the nose. So here today I have a picture of one of my students, so we are going to use as the reference picture. So let's start with the sketch. So we are focusing on the nose. So this is the sketch of the nose, the lateral view, that is the side view of the nose. Now we want to do our shading. We'll start with where the dark part. So from the reference picture, the darker part is inside the nose strip. Make the nose strip dark. And there's we'll blend and under the nose tree. There's a little bit dark. While there's a tone, mid-tone here. So let's blend here. Like I said before in my last video, there are a lot of races in the world: the Caucasian, the Mongoloid, the Australoid, the Negroid, and all. So since my student is from Africa, the Benin, those states, the Weirdo Pataki. So this is the shape of our nose, very unique and kind of very beautiful. Okay, there's a shadow here. Small shadow, then we blend. So from the reference picture, the light is striking to this region, but still just have to do a mid-tone here also. Why don't you give me that phone? Give me phone, please. Thank you. So I'm going to use the phone to blend this part. Are you guys following? So there's a little tone here too, but kind of very light. So here we have the eye. So we are focusing on the nose. If you want to see how I draw eye, you can check my previous videos. I explain in details how to draw an eye. Is it eye or eyes? Eye. Okay. Oh, EYE. That's what I mean, right? Eye. Okay. There is a cast shadow. That is a shadow formed by the nose. There's a cast shadow here, so I just have to put it. Drawing of a nose is very easy, right? True or false? True. Okay. After this one, I'll give you pencil and the rest you will come and draw. What do you say? So, since we have an highlight here, let's create it. Where is? Okay, I've seen it. White charcoal to create an highlight. There's also an highlight here. So few. Okay, let me blend first. Foam. And we have few highlights here. So to make it more visible and to look realistic, just have to add a little charcoal here. That is a little, let's say, mid-tone, so that the effect of the nose will be formed. Remember, here is cast shadow. So this is the nose. This is the shape of the nose. Here is just a cast shadow, and here is a skin. Which I'm going to blend now with foam. So this is how to draw a nose. That is the lateral view of the nose. So always remember to tidy up your work. It's very necessary, you know, to make your work very neat. See, here I am cleaning the excess part of it to make it very neat. Thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you have not liked my video or subscribed to my channel, please do so now. It's a way to motivate and to encourage me. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.